Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Aura frame is showing as offline, failing to sync new photos, or having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, there are several things that could be preventing it from communicating with the internet properly. An Aura frame depends on a stable network connection to receive updates, download photos, and stay synchronized with the linked account. Sometimes a simple network interruption, router issue, or device setting can cause the Aura frame to lose connectivity. The good part is that many offline and Wi-Fi problems can be resolved with a few quick checks. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple troubleshooting steps that may help get your Aura frame back online. Try these. Step 1. Check the Wi-Fi signal near the Aura frame. Step 2. Restart the Aura frame completely. Step 3. Reboot the router connected to the Aura frame. Step 4. Reconnect Wi-Fi on the Aura frame. Step 5. Verify account syncing on the Aura frame. Step 6. Test photo updates on the Aura frame again.